Hello, and welcome to today's video where we will be talking about the incredible Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about this game-changing device. The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control is the ultimate solution for simplifying your home entertainment system. With just one remote, you can control all the infrared devices in your home, including air conditioners, TVs, TV boxes, audio systems, and more. This means no more cluttered coffee tables and endless searching for the right remote. The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control streamlines and simplifies your home entertainment experience. One of the best features of this device is its DIY functionality. If your appliance model is not available in the database, you have the option to program your device's features. This customization ensures that you have full control over your home devices, giving you the freedom to tailor your smart home experience to your exact preferences. The Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control is also compatible with voice control devices such as Alexa and Google Home. With a simple voice command, you can effortlessly control your TV, set-top box, air conditioner, and fan. This not only enhances the convenience of the device but also adds a touch of futuristic luxury to your home. In addition to voice control, the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control can be linked with other smart devices to complete scenario linkage. This means that you can create customized scenes that suit your lifestyle and preferences, creating a truly personalized smart home experience. Furthermore, the real-time remote control feature allows you to control your infrared equipment from your mobile phone, giving you the freedom to adjust your home devices from anywhere, at any time. What's more, the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control requires no gateway, making installation and setup a breeze. With its sleek black design and durable shell material, this device is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. In conclusion, the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control is a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their home entertainment system and create a personalized smart home experience. With its universal remote control capabilities, DIY functionality, voice control support, and scene linkage features, this device offers unparalleled convenience and customization. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify and elevate your home entertainment experience. Click the link in the description to purchase the Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Universal IR Remote Control today and take the first step towards a smarter, more streamlined home.